All right, day 2 of injury, and I just had to put Ryan's socks on for him.
And this is like so much worse.
You just can't breathe or walk or move.
No, I can't breathe. No, I can breathe, but when I take a deep breath, I can just feel it expand, and that's when the pain just brutal.
Alright, so we're going sailing today. We're gonna go anchor off in a cool little bay, and I have to cook dinner while we're there. So I'm gonna pre-make the pizza dough now.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you.
Alright, I think I might need it one more time. And then I'm gonna put it in the fridge. This is my budget sangria jug because I don't have anything yet. I'm just making a white sangria with some strawberries, sparkling water, lemon, and I decided it's probably about time that I use my new mint. Now it's all ready for later. We're off all by ourselves, Ryan.
Yeah.
When there's no hope loving for you who saw me
Boy.
before I could knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust and
I'll let you guys go first.
past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting the chance for one will be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
There's Paul getting in his dive gear to jump in and check everything out. Ryan's worried we're gonna swing into this guy, but he's freaking ages away and we haven't moved since we got here. So this is my waypoint, which is like literally right in line with the tip of our boat. So every few minutes I go and check to make sure we haven't moved from that spot. Ryan's still stressing. You feeling a bit stressed, dear? Is that Paul Jackson? What is he doing? Oh my god, it's so weird to be able to see him down there. Jackson.
So we don't know how deep the thing is. I don't know how to get the motor up. Jackson's freaking out because Brittany's just jumped in. She's bringing us in.
I can't walk.
Jackson.
I got a crack.
Alright, I'm gonna go. Well, Jackson. Hey. Come here. Come on.
Jackson just had a bath. Ryan's going over to pick up Paul and Lucy for dinner and drinks. Ryan's pumped because we're doing 3 knots.
Yeah. So we are sailing. So we're gonna go anchor. We're thinking of anchoring somewhere, I don't know, over there maybe.
Compared to where we just were, it's a bit boring and there's a lot of people around. We're going back. But that was like a beautiful anchorage and peaceful, and this is just like a random beach. It's not even a beach, it's like a rock. The other one we can let Jackson run around free. Let's get out of here. We went out thinking, we went and practiced some sailing, and then we thought, let's find a different anchorage just for the fun of it. And we went to one that we thought we wanted to go to or try out, and we got there and we're like, no, let's go back.
So we're gonna try and hide into this little spot here because the wind's coming from that direction. So I wanna hide behind this cliff. So last night we stayed just over there. All right, drop it.
Jackson is passed out. So we sailed in yesterday. Well, actually motored in because there was no wind, and anchored here overnight. Then we got up this morning, relaxed, hung out until like 1 o'clock, and then we decided to take the boat out for a sail and practice our sailing. So we went up and down the coast, tried to find another anchorage, but they were all too busy and too many people, and we sailed back here and anchored it, and now we have the entire place to ourselves.
You know what?
Which is kind of eerie. I don't actually like being here completely by myself because I feel like we're doing something wrong.
I think people just have to like work tomorrow.
Taking Jackson out for his last pee break for the night.
That's what we do
And
every
look,
night.
you can see the bottom. It's so nice.
Number 3. That was 1.
Starting to get dark.
Oh, that's 4. Go on, buddy. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, Ryan's almost falling. Come on, Jackson. Got full beach hair going on. So salty. Ryan's finally got rid of his farmer's tan, but probably not in the best way. Look at it.
It's sexy, isn't it?
It's in the perfect shape of your shirt that you have been wearing all the time that you got your farmer's tan from. Over.
Every morning, eh?
Ew, that looks disgusting.
Or it is.
Where? Oh my god, Ryan.
Our first dolphin.
That's like a whale.
He came up, I was laying there and he came up right alongside.
It's like the first wildlife I've seen, we've seen here.
That ferry go through.
How cool is that? Back to civilization.
I was just messaging a Kim.